So, imagine this. You've got something. This is not just a review. This is, say it again. This is not black. This is green, actually.
Green. They changed
the cat. Yeah. So this is it could be router or anything. There's nothing keyboard or monitors, and there is a PC here. That's your PC. You're connecting to the router via telnet and use command lines. Command. It means that you're typing in it. It's maybe there is a web page for you. Maybe there's a web page, but telnet is using command lines to configure the device. This is hub. This is switch. This is the access points that you can see in different places. So if you want to make any changes, you have to use the telnet. But these days you can find, I don't know, lots of simple and easy wizard things for configuring the access points and things like that. So they are not telnet. You are using HTTP text. So you're sending port 80 requests. Commands to the device. So this is just the meaning of telnet. Peer-to-peer application. What is it? Just faster because I'm going to.
For example,
peer-to-peers.
For example, Skype is a peer-to-peer application.
Any better explanation? Not really. Peer-to-peer. Can you remember that I draw something for you that you need a file? You need, I don't know.
Oh yes. I remember. What was the name of that?
Beershers, or Emule, or
Emule. Yes, there is a special. There is a software I install it on my computer, and there is a specific folder. I put my file, music, I don't know, software, text, anything that I want to share with other people, and there is the same software in another PC that they can do it in the same way.
Yeah, exactly.
We can share our files on music, everything directly.
Yeah, you can see there's better file. Okay, so imagine that you need a file. I don't know, my.mp3, something like that. Okay, so you're connecting to the internet and search some other devices that got the share folders, and there are lots of items there, and you'll just send a request that I need my mp3 my.mp3.com file. So anyone who used the same software, the same as Emule, or I don't know, give you the file. So they just said that we've got a file, and they started transmitting using, of course, TCP. That's the meaning of telnet. So this is peer-to-peer. This PC is directly connected to this base directly. So this is peer-to-peer, one by one.
This number 2 is playing the role of a server for.
Yeah, in here, but also we know that this is anything and everything. You're just connected. That one is sending file, you are receiving the file. So that's it. So the one who manages the things is the software. So this is not really server and client thing.
For sure, for you.
Yeah, you can just say that we've got a. I actually want to answer everyone else because all of them knows where we are. So this is the meaning of peer-to-peer applications. Resolving DNS. You're looking for the Cisco.com, and you're going outside the network. Someone's in charge. The routers can go outside, and they're looking for the Cisco. They'll ask the DNS servers. We are going to find Cisco, and they'll give you the address of the Cisco for the device so you can connect it. So this is the meaning of resolving DNS address. HTTP protocol, that you've got a client, you want to go on the web, you just send a request to the internet, and they're just using the DNS address for finding the server. Then you're going and connect to the server, and in the reply you've got the content of the page. You've got a simple mail forwarding here. Actually, we draw lots of pictures last session and talk about these items, so I just make it fast. That he wants to send an email to, I don't know, the other guy in the other domain, so it just send email via SMTP to the mail transfer agent, and he just found I don't know, the domain mail server for the destination. It will forward it again, and the client, the other one, the person in charge of shifting the mail is downloading it from its own mail server. So that's a simple view, but we actually talk about this part more than half an hour, right? So as I said, this is Telnet. You're using your own computer with your mouse, with your keyboard, I don't know, with your monitor, so there are different inputs and outputs. You are using your own input and output devices to connect to the device. It doesn't have anything, but you want to configure it. So your keyboard, it means that the keyboard is connected to here, the monitor is connected to this one, the mouse is even connected to the device, so you can use the device. This is Telnet. As I told you, you have to write the commands, run, and it runs. I mean, anything, start sending, and it starts sending. Any commands that you have to follow.
Sorry, as a Telnet client, I had
you better review. So thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
I had an ADSL modem at my home, and sometimes I want to change some.
It's the same as Telnet. It's not really Telnet.
But I use exactly that number 192.
No, that's the address.
The IP address.
That's the address. This is a temporary address that I told you last session that we've got different kinds of IP address, and this is just one of the IP addresses, so it doesn't really matter if it is the same.
I know, but it was something like at 1.1.1, something like that. And always I was using that number to connect to my modem. You can change it. If you want to change the modem IP address, you have to connect to the modem, then change the IP address. Then you can send a new session to the new destination. Here is just a figure about using a Telnet service for this, I don't know, configure the device. So it could be the Telnet client, it would be the Telnet client, and here's the Telnet server. And as you can see, there isn't any web page here. This is just a command. You are typing something. So we talk about some requests that you need, I don't know, some kind of information. It could be printers, it could be, I don't know, files, it could be mail slots, it could be APIs, and we are using the Simba protocol for downloading it from, I don't know, the place that we share the resources to our client. So, and it's a Microsoft network based item. So this is how we can use Nutella for peer-to-peer servers. As I told you, this is this procedure called Nutella. So you're using Nutella protocol for these kinds of things. Emails, reassured, and things like that are the agents. So I need a file, so I'm searching on different computers on the net. Who's got this file? And there are 3 computers also available. They've got the file, so it will give me any of them. Depends if they're busy or no. One of them will start sending the files to me. So this is how Nutella allows peer-to-peer applications to search for sharing resources on peers. So, and this is the end of session 3. But, you know, the review is, how long does it take? 10 minutes. Same as the thing that the other one told us. But as you see, we've got 2 hours just working on